Every face is unique. We have different shapes, beard lengths and facial hairstyles. To master your unique style, no matter which shape, you need the right tools. A tool that will let you trim your beard at a precise, consistent length every time. The King C Gillette Beard Trimmer lets you do just that. Coming in a stubble comb, short beard comb and long beard comb. And of course, the trimmer. Firstly, attach your chosen comb. Then, select the right setting for your desired length. If unsure like this bloke, start with a higher setting first. Finally, use without the comb for the edges of the beard.
There's a reason the Philips Norelco is constantly voted as one of the best or the best, and I upgraded from a cheaper one. And I can tell you there are absolutely levels to how these perform, and right away you can feel the quality in your hand. There's a nice grip on there, and as far as performance goes, there's going to be different attachments that you can use. So obviously you're going to have the actual attachments here, and then you're going to have the guards that are going to be on there, hair, face, precision, stubble, and then nose hair if that's your flavor. For the guards, you're going to have color coding. So you're going to have black for your hair. You're going to have gray for your face and then green for the body. Of course, you can do what you want with these, but it makes it really easy. Not only that, but you're going to be able to see if we can get those on there. You can actually see the measurements on there. So there's no confusion on which ones are which. Really easy to swap in and out. You can take one of the guards and you can see it is really simple to get those in. You want to pop it out. It's literally just pushing that up, but they fit on there really well. Getting the guards on also no problem at all. So we stand behind a camera. There's a little bit of push that you need to put on there, and that's it. Nothing's going to come off. Nothing's going to go in place. And it really is just a matter of pushing the button. And there's not anywhere near as much vibration as you would get, say, on a cheaper blade, but there's so many different attachments. The precision one, these are probably the two I use the most. Obviously, your face is going to get a little bit more attention than the rest most of the time. The stubble guard, I'm not a big stubble person anyways, but that can work for a lot of people. If you want to do quick touch-ups with your hair, you can see it's a little bit wider. Going to take care of a few different things for you, and then you can use the bigger guards, but there's a lot. Easy plug-in. This has a great battery life on it. It also has the instructions. So if you're wondering what goes to what, there's a ton listed here. You can find that on the product page, but there's also a little carrying case. It's kind of flimsy. I don't know if I'd really use that, but if you do travel, there's a nice little carrying case to go with it. Other benefit is that you do not need oil for this. You can actually just wash these off. It's good to clean them off every now and again. Make sure and brush them off when you're done. You'll also notice that at times some hair will get into the guard or the blade itself. So make sure and clean that off. But making this really nice to use is to be able to wash this off, use this nice battery life, everything about it. The quality, though, of this compared to everything else, miles above some of the other brands that you're going to find. Absolutely love the Philips Norelco for basically everything at this point. Super, super nice. Great gift for dads or somebody in your life that could use this, and just absolutely fantastic.